This episode of Spectre Sound Studios is brought to you by Austrian Audio. Hey everybody, how's it going? So for the longest time I've said don't mix on headphones because they will lie to you. And a bunch of you guys have said, well, I can do it and I get good results. And I've really kind of not mixed on headphones just because of the whole fear factor. Am I going to screw my mix up so bad by mixing on phones? Well, Austrian Audio came along with their Hi-X 55s and said, hey, we'd like you to do a video on these. And I'm like, are you guys sure you want that? Because I'm not going to lie to my audience. Well, yesterday I sat down in my kitchen and mixed on my Slick Audio PC with these and got this. Okay, I think that turned out pretty well, to be honest with you, especially for a first attempt. All right, these might actually be somewhat reliable. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys, oh, this is all you're ever going to need. No. You should always check your mixes on as many systems as possible. That goes for anybody working with headphones or even in a large scale studio with some of the best monitors on the planet. Always check your mixes, preferably on a boombox or a car stereo or something like that, just to give you an extra frame of reference. But for actually working, I gotta say, I'm really impressed with these. First and foremost is because they're so damn comfortable. I can put these on and leave these on for hours, and the foam cups here are just super soft and it's got a nice foam padding. You can wear these for hours and you're not gonna get tired. Now, I'm gonna let you guys know straight up front, these do not have what I like to refer to as skull-crushing bass. These are very, very mid-range forward, so you're definitely going to want to cross-reference your mix on other systems with more powerful bass just to make sure. But what these are great for is detail work. Even more so than studio monitors in a lot of ways, especially if you're doing a lot of editing, say editing your guitars, editing your drums, that kind of thing. You want to listen for, minute clicks and pops and just make sure you got all your cuts nice and smooth. These are definitely perfect for that. Now with this mix I'm working on here, this is for an upcoming demo for the Angle Fireball, and I tried something new I've never really been able to do on studio monitors because I've never quite been able to hear exactly how things balance out, and that's work with the bleed on the tom mics and just kind of balance the tom bleed out so I get a nice even snare crack across the stereo spectrum in the tom mics, so I'm augmenting, the 57 on the snare top just with those tom mics backed off a little for a little extra ambience. I've done this before, but it always kind of pulls to one side or the other, and in this case, because of the precision of these headphones, I was able to get that balanced out pretty much perfectly, and I did that using the gate controls on the PSP AudioWare InfiniStrip, which has really become my favorite effects processor as of late. Now, the other thing I like about these is they provide a considerable amount of isolation, which is great around here because it can get pretty noisy. This is a busy studio. There's a lot of work being done, a lot of conversations going on, that kind of thing. I can throw these on and just go into my own little mix space and not have to worry about all the outside noise. Very cool. Once again, they're super comfortable, so it's no big deal to do that. I gotta say, it was kind of a different experience mixing at the kitchen table as opposed to sitting at a desk all day. It's kind of freeing, to be honest with you. I want to, go pull up a lawn chair and do a mix, that kind of thing. I didn't realize just how awesome these could be. You can get a pair of these at Sweetwater for $299. I'm gonna have a link in the description below. Oh yeah, and I'm also going to be giving away a set of these to one of you lucky SOBs. We got a raffle copter going on. Follow the link in the description below, and you could possibly get your hands on a set of these. Anyway, let's roll that mix one more time all the way through. You guys can check it out. You let me know in the description below, what do you guys think of my very first headphone mix? I want to hear from you guys. right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much to Austrian Audio for providing the headphones. Don't think I'll be giving these up anytime soon. And don't forget that we've got a sign-up sheet below where one of you guys could win a pair of these as well. Hope you enjoyed the show. Please hit the subscribe button, notification bell, all that good stuff. And until next time, praise Karam and crush your enemies.